So hey guys, this is a test drive of WRV Honda. So now I'm in the first gear and let's see. (4,000 RPM at 20 speed at first gear. (3,500 RPM at 45 speed at second gear. Performance is very nice. This is a petrol variant of WRV. Brakes are too good. Front has a disc brake and rear has both drum brakes. And I like this dashboard, very large, very massive dashboard, and steering feels so light. Not so as Hyundai, so feedback is good and clutch is somehow harder side. Brakes are excellent performing. This is 1199cc at 97.4 bhp of power at 3600 rpm and 200 newton meters of torque at 2400 rpm, as Honda said. Good performance, punchy performance at mid-range, but when you are in starting at, it is lagging somehow. Gear shifting is too fast. Suspension is very nice, softer side. Turning radius is also very nice. It's not a body and frame car, as we know. Punchy performance, and mileage is also very good on WRV. Petrol variant is very silent and refined engine as BS4 to BS6 comparison. So too good. Overall performance is very nice. Satisfied. I am giving 10 out of 7 to this test drive. Turning radius is 5.2 meters, and as Honda said, total 5-speed manual transmission. Horn is decent. I like this dashboard, very massive and big dashboard. Here you can see overall it is based on dashboard, I am thinking. Punchy performance and mid-range is very nice as compared to low range at the top speed. This is 40 liters of fuel capacity of this vehicle. Nice turning radius on this car. Overall good. Suspension is very nice. Braking is too good. Ground clearance also very nice on WRV. Honda said that it has SUV variant, but it's not an exact SUV, as we know. Premium hatchback, I can say. So too good performance, very nice. Steering feedback is very nice. I like the steering feel, very light. But when you're in 4,000 RPM touching, the engine sound is, transmission sound is somehow harder side coming to the cabin, and too smooth, too refined engine. The disc brakes, front good, and overall good punchy performance at 97 bhp of horsepower at 3600 rpm, very good. I like this manual transmission of Honda cars better than the auto, because it's somewhat lagging compared to the auto. Manual is very good on Honda. top speed is 120 kilometers, as Honda said. Nice. When you are in third gear, it has been revving motor and giving a good punchy performance as compared to low gears. Gear shifting also not so harder and fastest. Engine is very refined and this is petrol variant manual transmission. So manual transmission is too good than comparison to auto. Auto is also very good, as that low performance in the city drives when compared to manual, and tire profile is also very high, and I say massive enough of this car, too good. So overall good vehicle and good in performance. I like this manual transmission petrol variant, very smooth than compared to diesel. Diesel is also very good on these Honda engines. So gear size is very small and horn is also decent, also below than decent. And so that is a GT-R and Nissan GT. Overall brakes are good. Soon revving of engine to 2500 RPM to 3500 RPM, and overall good performance. I have satisfied of this engine Honda petrol variant, and mileage is also too good, around 18 to 22 kilometers per liter, as Honda said. I like the mid-range of this top speed in this vehicle when compared to low range of speed. When you're crossing 40 speed, it has been automatically revving the engine and giving punchy performance. Brakes are good, overall good performance. So this is a test drive video of walk around and test drive video of Honda WRV petrol variant manual transmission. So if you till not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching.